ya we jure TV Charlie ene e be ka sa amfa ne se gerese asem na din se bebre eni ba kromu ene hwe se sa gerese enu pukura no ye be no mo start to sa gerese ana how ene ba ye amfa ne se akwachi se eni aba ho ba before be share video so na hwe video. Oh yes, so your ba osun no ko fa bemba osun aya this is what used to happen. Opongo so bro. Opongo bre and aya o ko transa hwe we transa na what so. Na ye chance here. Wonu bi say gerense to no enye afe na mo start to gerense wo Ghana. Ana enye afe ne be end because wo sika ne de eye wo desi gerense no o mu ja to a nka be boa because o mu sensu no mitiase. But obiso oyo hiani o niska odbehwe ne family abadwuma kro na onye bi no sa gerense no eboa no ma ono so di survive in one family. So say be breaking it down kwan bi so a eboa na kwan bi so a enye because kwan bi so a enye ne say wo dey imagine say wo yo hiani a wutu gerense wo nkola nsuo na wo no nkola na wo family no nsuo no wasai no ba na mbom no wanya sika. So they imagine you know se wonya sika no mpo na se wo konye yare beti se sa cancer na mfa ne se sa cancer na nkrofo no mo kire se nkrofo bre anya sa cancer afre sa nsu no ho a sika ba na odo kokohwe ho ase ohiani obi wo no onya aban adwuma ana the same time su no utum hwe se sa gerense na odo surviving ti ko ka kire ne se wanja gerense to a wada ne natamfo. And for me personally there, this is not time for blaming or this is not time for into grants and o hwe nkrofo amutu grants ekura omo Ghana na enye only Ghanaians ekura na to grants ne. That's my bigger even problem. Ya ma China for enna because who shares us geveters na omo hihye na Ghana for me na was ka obetima mfa ne se obi a otu grants ska me mpa no wa obetima akoto mfa ne se sas gavet no obi was sas gavet o ska kra obeka so obetima mfa ne se dia yen some business bi obehwe to won kongo to grants. But nkrofo na mo free other countries na mo ba mo abeto grants no mo na ye nkrofo na mo ska mo just ask gaveters na omo yeren omo do ko to grants no na ye wo hwe so mfa ne se wo no tua society bi a mo to grants na hwe de esi
galamsefo nko a omo ye djuma oble na asi ade so pla eda ye kuro mu akufu ado opa ya soja fo obla na ye mekire mbebi omo ye djuma no mo be tututu akun oble na asi omle kura komanda anim se galamsefo ku ko mansi na bla na de bo se omo nya we kura ya ba mo jamo bla Mamuwa ekunsu no so a omutu galamse akufuado ote ho akufuado Commander wa na we mu nyina ya juma na mbama kwa tetu tuku ye we wo mo nya na azu amna commander wa jinso agbefo sika complain so me sepra ai so mo sepra ya na mu di tuo e ba be kuku ye nya hwe ye sha mo ogusu esu eduma commander wa jinso sika na na do sha kare kunya wotre mo pa mo mla bla na ase ya ba ba kire ba bia o mo ya juma no.
Well, me personally, we can do to help as a citizen or as the people of the country because ye nim say nkrofo bebre a omwoga no nim be nkrofo to grase but omo ye din because omboso mbokoboso because Africa this is the way of Africa say so nim be mpu anya so unim be so me be nyampu na okoko kan ada de be no hu kwa akodim ana even crowd be Europe entina sometimes no hu say Europe no everything no untimi ndi bone because obi a otini fia or no didi a watu ni ahwe so obi form and also obi bi anya no on be for police amo but Ghana so say no aya no and die ni ho obi o osuro so obi for poti anya dani asem obi okro osuro so obi for koti kro obi for koti amo kra na kire say adan the day no obi o for koti kra no na ekoko be say some questions instead of so that we tag the member to obi kwa ko business then e sie na omo nkoho wa o for koti for no uno e the main target nti abasa no microphone ready ato mufu say bibisa ase a na obi ayedi enama Africa especially Ghana neme bibre koso a enya no utumu betu ma say ebia kro no bia so obi wo haba be rob bank na BBC no fro police no police ba instead of them to go the main problem na we target bia problem the CM afena we be gina obi afro kotun ofia police no na be say na so necessary question bia ehu hia and you say among province they to move say member fro kotun at the end of the day na me akodi mfa say responsibility of mfa say dey mfa say insema minimum na mo bi say media me fro kotun e be na so a na say kro no. And for me, there as people of the country now, we can decide to help the country by informing people what is going on. So, we also be together and say no say your compaswa. Who will right say so chokotima ne pakrono. Now, at the end of the day, this is the help you can help the country for the country to grow. So I say, oh, I'm from whom? Bia, I'm funny say, me froko timpoa. Then be say, and then me froko ti bia. Umba be some question bia meant me yam. And also no ebasa na amakro no ekechi because who as a citizen want me yesa ampo okro na wo ye din hu bibia enkwe na wo ye din a sana okro be kwani enti for me personally ne grase etu no enya fe na grase etu na shasi o ashase ache ana nya fe na be ani wa wo ye ohia ne eye ma osu betu grase wa wo ye sikadi do wo ye se grase etu no esai so that's the way we see it. In fact we share be Ghana nsu aduru na bro you could see say issue na nya issue bia some years to come and issue bia no. And you know for me personally there this is the problem of the time of say government let me create so aduma bia man crofobia mutiti fia o munya aduma ya o no because of boko to guarantee no. I'm 100% sure say crofobia ya am go to guarantee no mu wo bebi ya na so mu aduma bi kwa o bi go to guarantee ana guarantee to kura na anya ade a easy say mo so control na to guarantee na onya good. It is so bremu now min to grant say that meaning the woman but the only thing we see is that who say umoko suya nya na umako urumu all in na adwuma ka say omo dansi ne poko obi be professor obenya ne skege or be ne business otuno ho a omo na gin kakra de say business be grow anansi obenya adwuma bi a obeya hu mfa ne say adwuma ho at the end of the day no or dem say man to so a obenya skege bi a obehwe no ho dan so obekotu garanse nti nkrofo na ya amokotu garanse na anya say omo hye say omo say nsuo na omokotu garanse because omo ni bi I do understand as I was saying utuno yo here uskani no uhwese garanse tu no enye but obi also here na dwuma ne say no be survive. Here is the case of Africa say no one help. You have to survive with your own self. There is so be ya obetuma survive. You have to do it. Ana mitiaze nkrofo bebre. On peso boko bo krono. On peso boko ya de enye. Into professor Krense no betu ne sa na o de ameneyi. Enti ne sa Krense the whole thing in e kana. Enya idea betuma stop Krense. Who stop Krense nkrofo hu be chiro mu. And at the same time no so biso hu se adwuma be na wo kroma akro Ghana obi a wo so stop guarantee na adwuma be na obetima akoya afidi ne hu ne family wo nim Ghana nkrofo wo mo obi wo no nkrofo 5 it depend on sa guarantee no orihwe na kwala because adwuma bi ani obenya bia ye ana ye ka Ghana mfa ne say 100% of vita metima ka say 60% ana 30% kra na ye government adwuma omo ka no individual obia was by his own to survive. So you don't tell someone to stop guarantee with that or where survive. One learn so we catch up so stop guarantee. Catch government say on ya adwuma si krom san young guys no betima ya adwuma be such a we are on to go to guarantee. One learn your Bible abrochra ye illegal way of things and crofo here. But that is your own choice. But so per se ube ya adwuma who you don't have problem with other government and police ya. Your adwuma bebre ube ye a bit is a company adwuma bebre ubetima ya without problem. Oh also be also open kun say open as kind of quick money now or so okotonga nnuan this kind of way now. That is your own choice. But African we don't have choice there to make it. We were just doing it to survive because choice to make is adwuma no ho a ebia wo person we adwuma na quite different thing. That is your own choice to make. But you we saying you have choice to make to choose your own choice. The open way dey jiro. Upeso obeko ya adwuma brere wanya usika fine that's your cup of tea. Emfa ne say enye so obi pese oyede onkoko say nsuo na sa wo saying adwuma na eni kro no ana no kro pese survive enti na ma okoko say adwuma woni. Enti Charlie say what I said if it makes sense to you let me know. If it didn't make sense to you Charlie leave the comment. So when the first time I watch my YouTuber now subscribe my YouTube channel no what the card man say any video bi e be na unsaka. Say Facebook so na watch me so and why there no follow my page no. Not comment or meet again, nigga. Peace.